1, soil, cactus soil, ocean forest, pumice. Step 2, putting the soils in the bin. Now that the soils are in the bin, time to mix it. I use 1.5 cubic of ocean forest, 1 cubic of cactus soil, and about 7 quarts of pumice. So now I get a shovel and mix. Now the hard work is done. Got the soil all mixed up. This is the result. Nice, non-clumping, very well draining, but rich, fertile soil. And now I have this soil. This is just regular California ground soil, in-ground soil, straight from our garden, mixed with some aggregate. That's going to go into the bottom of our pot. This is the pot I'm filling today, and it's for this cactus. This itty bitty pot, really time for it to be root transplanted. So, soil, pot, mix, cactus, top it. Let's go. Okay. So now I got the soil from the ground and the aggregate mix on the bottom of the container. I'm going to start shoveling in this nice mix of cactus soil. I'm going to do that until I get the right height. Now what do I mean by right height? Well, I want to be able to put the root ball here and fill around it. You'll see. Check this out. I have the height where I want it. Top of the pot where it's in is at the level I want it in the container. I now fill up the rest of the container, and I'll leave a cavity when I take the pot out. Perfect size for the root ball. You'll see. If I have the pot filled up, I have the cactus still in its original pot. I tapered the soil down just slightly, so now it'll hold its form when I remove the pot. See, now I have a perfect hole, the same size as my root ball, so when I take it out of the pot, I can drop it right in, and it's planted. Bada bing, bada boom, cactus is planted. But not least, of course, was to weed it. Whenever you do a transplant, you want to try to get all the weeds out so that you don't introduce the rhizomes of whatever grasses or other plants were in that pot with it. Give it a fresh start. Nice.